Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I'm going to explain how to find the largest number out of three given numbers. I will explain it step by step using the flowchart and an algorithmic approach to visualize the logic clearly. After that, I will implement the solution using Python programming language. Write a program to find the largest of three numbers without using logical operator. Condition is you will not use logical operator. Then we can use nested if else statement. What is nested if and if else statement? An if statement is placed another if or else statement. This allows for multiple level of decision making within a program. Suppose value of a equal to 50, value of b equal to 10, and value of c equal to 20. And here you will check that value of a equal to 50. I will write 50, and here b, I will check 50 is greater than 10. Yes, our program will follow this path, and they will check value of a. Value of a is 50, and value of c is 20. 50 is greater than 20. Yes, and then it will return. They will follow this path, and they will return this value. Return a means a means the maximum value is 50. 50 is the maximum value. In the second example, value of a equal to 15, value of b equal to 10. Now in this case, 15 is greater than 10. Yes, they will follow this path, and they will check that value of a is equal to 15, value of c equal to 20. 15 is greater than 20. No, they will follow this path, and they will return c. Okay, the maximum number is c. This one is maximum number c equal to 20. Now consider another example in which value of a equal to 5 and value of b equal to 10. In here you can see that 5 is greater than 10. No, this condition is, and they will follow this path, and value of b is 10, and value of c is 7. You can check that 10 is greater than 7. Yes, in case of yes, it will follow this path, and it will return the value of b, and value of b is 10. Now consider another example in which value of a equal to 5 and value of b equal to 10. 5 is greater than 10. No, then they will follow this path, and here they will check that value of b is 10 and value of c equal to 70. 10 is greater than 70. No, then they will follow this path. No, and then they will say return c. Return c means the value of c equal to 70. We are moving to the algorithmic part. Here I have written in algorithm. First of all, I will take three inputs, and these input will stored into variable a, b, and c. Suppose value of a equal to 50, value of b equal to 10, and value of c is 20. The first line will be executed, that is, here is the condition. They will check first condition, a greater than b, value of a is 50, value of b is 10. This condition is true, and we know that if the if part is true, mean condition is true, then if part will be executed, else part used to be skipped in this case. No else part will be executed. Line number 7 to line number 12, all the statement will be skipped because they are in else part. Next, if a greater than c means 50 greater than 20, because this condition is true, and else part, that is the nested if else. The else part in nested if else will be skipped here. The true statement, that is falling off the condition, that is return a, that will be executed, and in case of this execution return 50, they will return value of a, that is 50. Now we will take another example in which value of a is 15, value of b is 10, value of c is 20. I'm going to check a greater than b means value of 15 greater than 10. Yes, this condition is true. In this case of true, again means else part of the program will be skipped, because this is outer if and else is there, one of the part will be executed. Now in this case, else part is going to be skipped according to this condition 15 greater than 10. Again, they are going to inside the condition, means another if else. If 15 is greater than 20, they will check 15 is greater than 20. That is false because 15 is less than 20. Then in this case, the line number 3 will be skipped and line number 5 will be in execution. Now return C. In case of return C, it will display 20. Now I'm going to run it again. The three inputs, that is in terms of value of A is 5, B is 10 and C equal to 7. The first, if A greater than B, value of A is 5 and value of B is 10. In case of 5 greater than 10, that is false, condition will be false. In this case, the full part of the if will be skipped and its cursor will move to the else part. Like this, it will be skipped and they are moving to the else part. In else part, you can see that if B greater than C, 10 is greater than 7, yes, in this case condition will be true, and then inside else part another if else is there, then else part will be skipped here, statement following of condition that will be executed, that is in case that is return B, and return B mean answer value of B is 10. Now I'm taking another input 5, 10, 70. If A greater than B mean 5 greater than 10, this condition will be false. Then this full if block will be skipped here. Then it will check nested if else block. If B greater than C means 10 greater than 70. 10 greater than 70, that condition is false. In this case of false, then if part will be skipped and else part will be executed, that is return C. It will return the value of C, that is 70. This is the algorithm, and I have dry run this algorithm with the different examples. This is the program. I have written this program by using the functions. This is largest of 3 is there. They will take input A, B, C, and if A greater than B, then it will check another inside the condition, that is nested if else, return A, and A is the largest number in this case. If A greater than C will be true, and else it will move to the else part, and this is the else of main if. If this will be true, this part will be skipped here, and if this part will be false, then if part will be skipped and they will move to the else part. My program will start from this line. First of all, I'm taking here first number, then this is the second number, and this one is the third number, and here I am calling a function largest of 3 by giving 3 parameters, number 1, number 2 and number 3. They will move to this function. This here I have defined the function, and after this here will return one value that will be stored into this variable, and the last they will show print enter the largest number is in largest. I'm going to run the program. I have run the program, for example 10, 20, 30. The largest number is 30. I'm going to run this program again. Now 30, 20, 10. The largest number is 30. If I want to make it second number is largest, means 10, 50. 50 will be the largest if I will enter any less than value of 50. Now in this case the largest number is 50. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, and if you have any doubts you can ask me in email or send me in the comments. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.